Hi guys, what's up and welcome to Kynd.views. For those who are not familiar, my name is Prettykynd, and for those who are, hi cutie! I'm a tangerine dreaming, energy so bright, I'm feeling. For a good time, I'ma take it in. You got this thing that I like. I'm a tangerine dreaming, energy so bright, I'm feeling. For a good time, I'ma take it in. You got this thing that I like. Just wanna spend the night. Energy so bright, I'm feeling. For a good time, I'ma take it in. Welcome back, cutie. The past few weeks I've been gravitating towards the same perfume combinations, so I want to talk about them. Obviously they're giving sexy, they're giving that girl. The scents I've been wearing lately are very attractive and they give elevated woman. I just really love that, so I want to talk about some of them today. We're just going to go over a few. We're just going to go over the ones that I've been gravitating towards these past few weeks. This video doesn't need to be long. Let's get right into it. The category we're speaking on today, the concept is elevated sexy, like classy, mysterious chic girl that you just want to know a little bit more about. Her aloofness is her charm. That's what this collection, this combination of scents are all gonna give. And these are in no specific order. I'm just listing them off because they're right in front of me. First combination I grabbed is gonna be Princess by Kynd and Commodity Milk. You would think, if you smelled these individually, you would think, I don't know about that, like it could almost be too sweet, but it does a thing, it works really well. I do like to sometimes layer it with a third scent, and that would be Cherry Ambition, which you're gonna see later, but these two, but I really love these two together. Like, the next two are Miss Dior and Vanilla Woods by Seven Virtues. This does a thing. Vanilla really elevates Miss Dior for me personally. I absolutely love it. It just, like, that's what I'm wearing right now. It gives classy, chic, not too much, but not child. It's like that. This combination is that happy medium between childish and like ultimate maturity. This is the perfect medium, so I really love to grab these. This next combination I happened upon because I grabbed the wrong bottle mistakenly, and I was just like, wait a second, that's doing a thing. And I like that thing that it's doing. So next we have the Valentina Born in Roma. They thought very big of themselves. They did not have to put the name on the bottle. Yeah, we have this Valentina Born in Roma, and I matched it with the Billie Eilish. Is this Eilish by Billie Eilish? The bronze bottle. I was like, okay, all right. Because for me, this one can almost be a little too overpowering. When I wear it by itself, I'm sometimes like, do I actually really like this? But paired together, these two, I can't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Next, we have Burberry Goddess and Afternoon Delight, and Maison Margiela's Afternoon Delight by Replica. Maison Margiela, Replica, Afternoon Delight. We have Replica's Afternoon Delight. These two, I love, because this one does a thing on her own. Like, she stands alone, but she also plays well with others. I said that in my last video, and I stand beside it. She's independent, she does her own thing, but she's a girl's girl, and I love that about her. But because this one is so light and it's that warm, but like, it just accents this one so well because this is basically all the vanilla notes you could ever think of. This one enhances it ever so slightly. Like, you notice it on the nose, but you don't. It's not too harsh, and I really love that. I'm a vanilla and gourmand girly, so these two just, I love that. Like, I'm so tempted to spray it right now, but that is a color combination. I just did that video. That is a scent combination that just elevates your entire look, in my opinion. This last combination, you have to know how good it is because I continue to say I am a vanilla and a gourmand girly, and this is somewhat out of that wheelhouse, this combination. However, I still cannot help myself but reach for it. And that is the Burberry Eau de Toilette and Seven Virtues Cherry Ambition. I love these. I feel like this combination goes well beyond seasons. in every season you can put these on. You can put this combination on in every season. I absolutely love that. And you just smell, you smell girly, you smell feminine, but not childish, and that is important. Even with this stock palette that I just showed you, there's so many other combinations that you can do with these scents, and it fits today's concept. However, those are the ones that I've just been gravitating towards these past few weeks, so I wanted to go over it. Like I said, this video is not going to be lengthy at all. I wanted it to be straight to the point because go get them. I believe all of these scents are in my last, maybe not all of them. The majority of these scents are in my last perfume video. I'll card that up above if you want to get a more detail. If you want more detail of each scent, you can go watch that video. This one is just to speak on the combinations that I do, and I just smell lovely. I've never not gotten a compliment wearing any of these combinations. Like I said, I wanted today's video to be short, sweet, like the scent of this room. I wanted this video to be like me, short and sweet. If you did enjoy this video, if you made it thus far, you already know the drill. Go ahead and like and comment. Go ahead and like the video. If you've ever tried any of these combinations, or if you have any suggestions for me to try, please comment down below, because I love smelling great. I love smelling good and feminine and just femininity. Comment down below, let me know if there's a combination that you cannot stop doing yourself, like you have your own little cocktail and I didn't mention it. Comment that down below, because I'm always in the market for some new scents. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Like I said, if you're not subscribed, get subscribed, and we can be right back here, because I'm going to be doing plenty of these videos. As per usual, be kind and stay cute. Okay, I'm out of here. I already know how I feel about a good cup of tea. If only that would just stay there. I feel like this may not be the necklace. Ooh. I kind of wish this would go just a little lower. The turmeric in my tea though is doing just too much. I just feel like this one puts a little more razzle in my dazzle. What are you on your way to? Scary stalker. But and my hair is sleep back, so the other one was kind of drawing too much attention, but that's not why we're here. I feel like I should read through the intro now. Hi guys, what's up, and welcome to Kynd.views.